This is the first time since 1983 that the 76ers are in the finals. Fourth straight time that Philadelphia faces the Lakers. Allen Iverson guarded by Derek Fisher, an excellent defender. Iverson lost the handle. Good look from Iverson, and Aaron McKee knocks down the three. Iverson. Came up with a sucker shot, and then off the rebound. Not able to hit.
They are 4 and 5. You must shoot the ball.
Kobe Bryant lost it. Here's Iverson. Well, it's a sloppy start.
Those are the kind of baskets for the Lakers you don't want to give Iverson layups.
Horace Grant fires up the air ball. Iverson using the pick. Kobe off the fake, gives it. Iverson.
Yes, how good was that? I mean, Kobe Bryant right on him. He drives it and gets Kobe back on his heels, pulls back, and he must continue to shoot the basketball.
Iverson had the shot deflected short. Kobe working his way on snow. Here's McKee. Iverson. Iverson had a reset. Shot clock down to 2. Down to 1. Iverson. Oh, what a spectacular finish.
You don't see that often. They're starting to defend much better right now, Marv.
Here's Iverson. Yes. And Allen Iverson has picked it up. Lakers have now turned it over 5 times. Shaq again, getting down deep.
You cannot play him, and Mutombo cannot take the foul. He already has one.
Iverson again.
This guy has such courage. You love the fact that he is fearless.
Kept away by Fox, getting it to Bryant. He's turned back by Hill. 2-1. Iverson behind the back. Snow able to finish. And the Sixers. Iverson on the open floor. Iverson. Bryant lost it. McKee took it away for Kobe Bryant. Iverson. You can see Allen slowing down, trying 17-5 run to end the first quarter. Lakers have led by as many as 13. Allen Iverson on fire. Now single coverage on Shaq. Raja Bell, one of the heroes of the Game 7 victory on Sunday, is on the floor for the first time. Iverson sets it up for McKee. Yes. And that's a 2-point.
A lot of toughness and courage. The Lakers are going to have, this is the most competitive team they have faced in the playoffs. Don't get shots at the basket.
Iverson working his way. The 76er team fighting its way back. Down by as many as 13. Shaq. Nice foul.
Philadelphia is done here in this first half.
Matt Geiger. Derek Fisher. Iverson on the loose ball. He has McKee with him, challenging Bryant. Iverson with the tip. Put the brakes on. McKee for Iverson.
Yes, that was not pretty by Aaron McKee. Makes simple plays.
Iverson. They have been stunned here in the first half by the play of the Sixers.
Dikembe did everything he could. That's just a brilliant move by an amazing basketball player. The footwork.
A minute 45 remaining in the half. Iverson eluding Bryant and then rejected.
He's the answer and the problem. You don't want it with the way that boy go to the hole and take punishment. The young boss of the cross for 4 quarters. And from 3-point land, he's all water. Matter of fact, call him the king. The way he breaks down the